Hey guys, my name is Aaron Gray. I graduated KWI in November of 21. I did the 6 month pipe class. The things I enjoyed about it was there was a lot of different options of learning and different methods of actually learning how to weld and different welding techniques that the teachers taught you. That's stuff that I enjoyed about it. They also had a diverse options of like different training simulators and how to get yourself in these positions and weld this and that. They had plenty of certs that you could achieve. That was one nice thing. I believe I got 7 certs through my 6 months. I was really impressed in that. And the classroom portion of it, that was really nice too. Getting the NCCCO, the rigging portion of it, the Basic Plus, the TWIC card, all stuff that'll help you find jobs, and the job, not job placement, but the helping you find jobs. That was really nice. I get updates on those every couple weeks. That was really nice to have. If you can't find a job this week or that week, you can always look on there and get you a job. The best thing that I've noticed is just send in your resumes everywhere. That's keep sending them in. Someone will eventually find you if you're lacking for a job.